Hey, Lou here from RV Habit at the 2022 Tampa RV Supershow. We're looking at an Olympia travel trailer. This one's 27 feet and it's $28,000, which is really, for this show, it's his entry level. But it's nice. Aluminum siding. It looks like diamond plate, but it is plastic. It does have an electric tongue jack from LGI, double propane, and a battery. It has a power awning and some pass-through storage. It has manual stabilizer jacks. And if you walk on down, it does have 110 outlets and your cable satellite input and a TV mount for an outside TV if you'd like it, with outside stereo speakers. Some small storage in the back. And it does come with a spare tire. And on the other side is just your utilities. Let's take a look inside. So before we even go in, even though it's an entry-level unit, it does have those nice stabilizer steps instead of the bouncy steps on it. And we'll come on in. And if you go all the way to your right when you walk in, you have a master bedroom. And it's the only way in. It's not opening on each side. And you have your normal clothes shelves on each side. And then in here you have a couch that opens up into a bed for one adult. And you have a dinette that also will make into a bed for a child. An adult could not fit here. And over in the sink, large stainless steel single bowl sink. You do have a high faucet. It is a pull spout. A couple drawers on the side, ball bearing, all wood, and spot for a garbage can. Typical Furrion LPG 3-burner stovetop with a small oven, and above that you have a small high point microwave. This is a this is an electric LPG refrigerator by Norcold. And again, you know, it's kind of mixed. Most of the time we're seeing the 12-volt refrigerators, but this unit has the traditional electric LPG refrigerator. And if you come back here, you have a small sink area for your bathroom, a commode, and a tub. Again, this is designed for people with a family, so you have a tub for the little ones. And it's a nice size plastic toilet. And of course, 2 large bunks. Again, it's a nice big bunk. You certainly don't need any space on those. Storage above the dinette. Storage above the sink. You have a basic AM/FM radio here. This is your mount for your TVs. You can mount the TV here. I'm going to assume it has a mounting plate behind that since all your TV hookups are there. It does have air conditioning that's ducted. And it's not a bad unit. And you know, the price is $28,000, which at the show this year, that's a great price. I mean, there is almost nothing under $30,000 in this size. So this is one to check out for sure. I'm Lou from RV Habit. Thanks for watching.